In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change miles to km in Lyft Driver app. If you use the Lyft Driver app and want distances to appear in kilometers instead of miles, the setting usually depends on your Android device's system preferences rather than a separate option inside the app itself. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you the simple process to update that measurement setting and then refresh the app so the change can take effect. To begin, open the Settings app on your Android device. This is where your phone's main system preferences are stored, including language, region, and in some cases, measurement units. Since Lyft may follow your device's regional settings, this is the first place you'll need to check. Once you're in Settings, look for a menu related to System or Language options. Depending on your phone brand and Android version, the exact wording may be a little different. You may see something like System, Languages and Input, Language and Region, or a similar category. Don't worry if it doesn't match exactly because different manufacturers organize these menus in slightly different ways. After you find the correct section, look for a measurement setting. If your device gives you a direct option for measurement units, choose metric. This should tell your phone to use kilometers and other metric-based units where supported. On some Android devices, you may not see a separate measurement option. If that happens, check whether there's a region setting instead. Changing the region to a country that uses the metric system can sometimes automatically switch distance units across supported apps. The reason this matters is that some apps, including driver apps, rely on your phone's region and measurement preferences rather than offering their own dedicated distance setting. Once you've made the change, the next step is to fully close the Lyft Driver app. Don't just minimize it. Force close it so it completely shuts down, then reopen it. This helps the app reload your updated device settings. After reopening, check the distance displays inside Lyft Driver to see whether they now appear in kilometers instead of miles. If you don't notice the change right away, give the app a moment to refresh or try reopening it again. In many cases, that's all it takes. That's how to change miles to kilometers in the Lyft Driver app on Android. As a quick reminder, this change is usually controlled through your phone's system settings. So the key is updating the device preference first and then reopening the app.